What habit makes you sound like a psychopath, but that you actually very much enjoy? I love going to the movies alone. I used to go with my friends, but they would always talk during the film and ruin it for me. So one day I decided to go by myself. I was nervous at first, but once the movie started, I was completely immersed. I didn't have to worry about anyone talking or distracting me. I could just enjoy the film. After that, I started going to the movies alone all the time. I would go on weekdays when the theater was empty. I would sit in the back row and just lose myself in the movie. It was my escape from reality. I loved it. One day, I went to see a horror movie. I was the only one in the theater. I was so into the movie that I didn't even notice when someone else came in. After the movie ended, I got up to leave and saw a man sitting in the front row. He turned around and looked at me. I was startled. He smiled and said, "I didn't want to disturb you. You looked like you were really enjoying the movie." I smiled back and said, "I was. Thank you." We both left the theater and went our separate ways. I never saw him again, but I'll never forget that moment. It was the first time I realized that I wasn't the only one who enjoyed going to the movies alone.